Hello, this is Chris, and I'm here to show you how to update your launcher for MapTool build 89 to use the more recent build for build 91. So we're going to go to make sure that you have your MapTool installed properly. Some people use the launch method, which I don't recommend. This method will be using the direct download method. So essentially you want to download this file and then extract it to a folder someplace where you can find it easily. For me, I've already downloaded it, and it's under my downloads, and then under that folder there. In fact, we're going to delete that just to show the process from scratch. Okay, MapTool, where are you? Okay, so I would extract this. Okay, and this would be the default install right here. The MapTool launcher doesn't currently work. You would want better settings than that anyway. But generally how you would normally run it without knowing anything from the website is clicking on the MapTool jar directly. These batch files have a typo in it, and so don't work either. So you got to put the word set there in order to fix those. Also, if you change the stack size to 3, it would also run better for most frameworks. So this is typically how a lot of people would be running it right now. Just clicking on the batch file and running their MapTool. Okay, the only problem with that is you get a batch file pop up and you can't put a shortcut on this bar down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the website and go to the community forums. And under MapTool, how to, we're going to have a download file we can get to. It's under how to upgrade B89 launcher. And I describe what the files are that you're downloading, and you can download it from here. And what we're going to do is we're going to show it in the folder, and then we're going to move it over to the MapTool directory. So copy, cut. Okay, so we're going to extract these files. There's a couple ways you can do it. I can do the extract all here, or I can just open it up and just kind of cut these and just paste them here. Missing any files that need to be done. Okay, and we now want to clean up the stuff that we're not going to be using. So very top, we're going to have the launcher cleanup in that little batch file, and it's just going to move the files we're not using to a new folder. Okay, so I have Java 7 and 8 installed. If, for example, you only had Java 7 installed, you would want to use this shortcut here. If you have Java 8 installed, when you run Java 7, it's going to give you a warning message and won't let you run it at all. So you would use either one of those. You can't really use them both. Okay, so what we're going to do is, since I have Java 8 installed, I can start it up. Right now, there's no empty config file. When running it for the first time, it'll create one for you. And there, it creates it for you. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in the same settings as before. I recommend at least 1024, but if you have a nicer system, 24 gigs is pretty nice too. And I put 3 for my stack size. I want to launch MapTool. So it creates the empty config file. And this is basically the same thing as running the batch file, except for there's no batch pop-up, and you'll be able to actually pin this to the taskbar. But you have to do one thing first before you do that. It's different for each system, so I didn't do it ahead of time, but you have to copy the directory where you downloaded the MapTool files. So you copy that, and then we're going to go to the properties of the shortcut, and under Start In, if it's not blank, delete it. Whatever's in there might have my folder stuff for the other one, and just put in your current directory. So now it's ready for it to be pinned to the taskbar. So you just go to Pin Taskbar, and you move it over here. And now you pretty much don't have to worry about looking at this folder anymore. You can just close everything out and then start MapTool up. You may want to turn the launcher off so you won't be changing your settings each time you launch it. So just do that. And there you have it. So if you have any questions, you can go to the website and post there, or you can post under the video. I'll also include a link to the video from the site for people looking for a visual install method. I know some people, like me, prefer that method as well. Anyway, I'll be showing you how to do the same thing with Build 91 in a future video. So I'll talk to you guys later.